Good morning, this Thursday, the 27th of March. I'm Sam Canaan, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed lower overnight as Donald Trump announced a new 25% tariff on auto imports into the United States. The Dow Jones fell by 0.31%, the S&P 500 lost 1.12%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped by over 2%. In terms of US stocks, Meta Platforms and Amazon lost more than 2%, Alphabet closed more than 3% lower, and Tesla closed nearly 6% in the red. Over in Europe overnight, markets closed lower as investors react to new tariffs implemented over in the US. The Stoxx 600 dropped 0.7%, led by autos which fell by 2.6%. Germany's DAX lowered 1.17%, the French CAC closed nearly 1% lower, whilst over in the UK the FTSE 100 rose by 0.3%. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 rose by 0.71%, with all but one major sector closing in the green. Gains were led by the consumer staples and real estate sectors, which rose by 1.19% and 1.15% respectively. This was offset by the health sector, which fell by over 0.5% by the closing bell. Monthly inflation data was released yesterday, coming in at 2.4% for February. This was lower than the consensus of 2.5% and the forecast of 2.6%. The CPI falling is a good thing for the RBA's outlook for rate cuts to come, as inflation drivers are all moving in the right direction. Wages price inflation came down, GDP uptick, retail sales easing, and the unemployment rate ticked back up to 4.1%, which is favourable for the rate cut journey. As for what's watched locally today, the Australian share market is set to open lower, with the SPI future suggesting a fall of 0.46% at market open this morning. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 1.36% higher at $69.94 a barrel as investors increase concerns over tight oil supply. Gold fell by just 0.04% to $3,019 an ounce, and iron ore is trading 0.03% lower at $102.18 a tonne. And now to end with some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter maintains a buy rating on Whitehaven Coal and has a 12-month price target of $7.70. The buy rating is maintained by Bell Potter as their balance sheet will significantly de-risk with the Blackwater sell-down completion in late March 2025. As well, further productivity enhancements across WHC's Queensland portfolio should support high production, hence the buy rating is maintained. And Trading Central's identified a bullish signal on Perseus Mining, indicating that the stock price may rise from close of $3.23 to the range of $3.53 to $3.61 on a pattern formed over 8 days according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. We hope you have a great day, and as always, happy investing.